Hey, this is Charlotte 100, and this is my guitar thing. So cheesy. Oh, I gotta use the bathroom now. I go really bad. What's that noise? Okay, I'm getting kind of freaked out. Oh my gosh, Samantha, what are you doing in there? You're so retarded. How did you get into my house? I have ways. Seriously? Hard. And why are you in my bathroom? Because I like this bathroom. It's my friend. And I ran out of those purple chip things. Do you have any? I might. Doesn't that make you crazy though? I'm crazier than I already am. Anyway, don't disturb me, I'm taking a shower. Did not apply on either leg. Oh, this must be some lip balm. Oh my god, that hurts. Now I'm going to put it on my eyes. That was awesome. Hey, you better be careful, I'm going to flash. No! Hey, is shampoo edible? I'm not sure. Ooh, my skin's falling off. Please stop the push. Turn the water off, Samantha. Okay. Are you dressed now? Yes. Hi. What do you mean? You have clothes on. They're invisible clothes. Well then, how can I see them? I don't know. I bet your bathroom's dirty. Yeah, what did you do? Did you like shave your back? Chapstick. This is my favorite flavor. Mmm. Oh yeah, some good stuff. Oh my gosh, are you okay? Oh my gosh, I think she's dead. Hi. Are you okay? Was it the chapstick? What's coming out of your mouth? Oh my gosh. Blood. Oh God, stay with me. I don't feel good.